You ever hear that theory that TikTok is just always listening to you? You know, I am tired of these apps thinking they can do what they want. You are the product. Your privacy means nothing. It's gone too far. I mean, I went to my parents' house the other day after the latest storm here in Texas, and they had all these broken branches all throughout the yard. We put them in that pile right there, and I told my wife, you know what? I want to help them cut those up so they can go put them in their burn pile, or they can burn them and makes it a little easier. And next thing you know, I start seeing a whole bunch of ads for chainsaws. Anyways, so as I was saying, if you need someone to cut up wood, I got a chainsaw.